Hello student, we learn about new chapter wave optics. What is mean by wave? In previous lecture we already studied about what is mean by wave. An oscillatory disturbance due to that medium, then it is known as wave. Oscillatory disturbance due to medium is known as wave. And optics. Next term is optics. What is meant by optics? Optics, it is the study of a ray of light or sight. Ray of light. Optics is divided into two terms, ray optics and wave optics. In 11th standard, we learn about ray optics. आपण फक्त त्यामध्ये टेलिस्कोप, मायक्रोस्कोप, कंपाऊंड मायक्रोस्कोप यांचं जेव्हा सिंपल मायक्रोस्कोप यांचं जेव्हा स्टडी केलं तेव्हा आपण काय केलं होतं, फक्त रे कन्सिडर केलं होतं. आणि वेव्ह ऑप्टिक्स यामध्ये लाईटचं नेचर हे वेव्ह फॉर्म मध्ये आहे हे कन्सिडर करायचंय. देन ऑप्टिक्स, द लाईट इट इज द स्टडी ऑफ रे ऑफ लाईट इज नोन ॲज रे ऑप्टिक्स. And wave optics, light is in the form of wave. That branch of physics is known as wave optics. Light is in the form of wave nature. Why ray optics and wave optics are different? Because of light is a dual nature. Dual nature means light is in the form of particles and light is in the form of wave. Light is in the form of particles and light is in the form of wave. Therefore, light is a dual nature. Light is divided into particle nature as well as wave nature. These things, particle is in the form of light is in the form of particles and light is in the form of wave. These two things are provided the ray optics and wave optics. Ray optics, light is treated as ray. Light is treated as ray. But in wave optics, light is in the form of transverse nature. Light is in the form of transverse nature. What is mean by light? Light is nothing but an electromagnetic waves. Light is an electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave. What is mean by electromagnetic wave? I learn about that light is in a transverse nature. In the transverse wave characteristic, light is in a transverse nature. And light is an electromagnetic waves. Electric and magnetic fields are perpendicular. Electric field and magnetic fields both are perpendicular to each other. Then the nature of electromagnetic wave is in the form of transverse nature. Electric and magnetic field. One waveform represents electric field and perpendicular represents as B vector, means electromagnetic field. Therefore, light is in the form of electromagnetic waves. Why electromagnetic waves? Mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves we are studying in some oscillation chapter. Mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves. Mechanical waves traveling through require any material medium or any medium is required for the traveling of wave. But electromagnetic waves, they are travel from or travel in the vacuum. It also travel in vacuum. Electromagnetic wave. Therefore, electromagnetic waves having travel through a vacuum. Then, what is the visible range of light? what is the visible range of light? We see about the visible range is about 400 to 700 nanometer. 400 to 700 nanometer. Nano means 10 raised to minus 9 power. 400 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. But 4000 into 10 raised to minus 10. But minus 10 meter is equal to 1 angstrom unit. 10 raised to minus 10 meter is equal to 1 angstrom unit. Therefore, the visible range of light is about 4000 angstrom unit to 7000 angstrom unit. These are the visible range of light. Hence, we learn about that light is in the form of particle nature and light is in the form of